This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. We are here in Deer Creek, Davenport, Florida. This is a new construction mobile home, manufactured home. This high ceiling is for the RVs. And they, because it's a new construction, they put new wood floors. You can see the condition of the wood. A lot of dust and haze. Let me take a picture before and after. We always record. In this job we have to do all the windows in and out. Beautiful Gulf view with the RVs. So we have to vacuum and clean all ceiling fans, windows in, out, blinds, all the kitchen, everything is new. But because they built, we have to dust all the kitchen cabinets. We have all our equipment, and this manufactured home with the RV has just one bathroom, brand new bathroom. They paint, so you can see the remaining of painting, some caulking. Everything is brand new, so we have to remove pretty much all the caulking left, the paint left on the tile, and not only that, remove the haze that is on the walls. Today I brought our vapor steamer. That was my gift for Christmas. The floor, can you check? Everything is brand new, but I love of post-remodeling construction. All the baseboards, everything needs to be wiped down, clean. Blinds. The main concerns: floors, bathroom, and windows. This is another area. This floor needs to be dust free so people can move in. And here's another area. And this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. You can call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you.